How many years have you promised yourself, this is my year? Then completely destroyed that promise by week 3? If 2025 became your year of scrolling instead of your year of focus, then 2026 has to be different. And I'm going to show you exactly how in the next 3 minutes. The real problem. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't have a focus problem. You have a distraction environment. You're trying to be productive inside a circus. Notifications pinging, tabs multiplying, YouTube recommendations that know you better than your own mother. Of course you can't focus. So, rule number 1 for 2026. Before you try to focus, remove what breaks your focus. Turn off all notifications except calls. Move distracting apps off your home screen. Hide the dopamine slot machines. If you start 2026 with the same digital chaos, you'll get the same results. And you already know that. The one task rule. Stop multitasking. Multitasking isn't multitasking. It's rapid-fire stupidity. You're switching between tasks so fast your brain never enters deep focus. New rule: one focus block, one task, zero negotiations. Set a 25-minute timer. Pick one important thing. Work on only that. Your brain will love you, your work will love you, and you'll finally feel like a functioning human. Now here's the step that makes everything else work. You must define one daily target. Not 9 tasks, not 18. Not clean room plus study plus gym plus groceries plus revive my entire life in one afternoon. Just one must-finish task each day. Why? Because nothing destroys focus faster than overwhelming yourself before you even start. Your brain loves clarity. It hates chaos. Pick one task, finish it, then worry about the extras. This single step will triple your productivity in 2026. Skip it, and you'll be back in the busy but not productive trap all over again. The distraction hack. One more thing, you will get distracted. You're human. But here's how you beat it. Whenever your brain screams, let's check Instagram real quick, don't fight it. Just write it down on a distraction list. Don't do it now. Do it after your focus block. This tiny trick works like magic because your brain stops panicking. It knows you'll come back to it later, and you stay focused without fighting yourself. Here's your new system. Remove distractions first. One task equals one focus block. Choose one must-finish task every day. Use a distraction list so you don't get derailed. Follow this, and 2026 becomes the year you don't just plan to stay focused. You actually do. If this helped, hit subscribe and join the No Quit community. Let's make 2026 the year you finally stop breaking promises to yourself.